Right, here we're going to look at a thing called a card view, which you can use to make layouts really nice, or it's kind of like buttons. So basically you can put a load of different widgets on a card view and make the whole thing clickable. So I've just put an image view and a text view on this card view, and when I click it, it does a toast, but it can do anything else you like. So basically, how did I do that? Right, so there's it's in the designs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a second one here, and you'll get an idea of what I did. So I'm going to go to containers, find card view. Say, drop it over here for the moment. Now, what I do normally is, just so that I can see it, I'm going to say 200 dp for the width and for the height also, so that I can kind of see it. Right, so that's there now. There's my card view there. All right, now I can do anything I like. I can, for example, add stuff to it. So in order to do that, I need to give the card view a layout. So we're used to card view, or I should say constraint layout. So we're going to give it constraint layout. So I'm going to put the constraint layout into this new card view. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to say grab an image view, right? And place it in there, and we'll pick this guy here. Okay, for example, we make this a little bit bigger, and we'll pin this to this, and pin this to this. Get the idea? And you could grab a text view and put that text view underneath it. Now you can use your imagination, you can use any of the okay, so maybe now we want to make the background color. So I could go to the card view here, and a few little interesting things here. So let's make the background purple. Okay, and you can also round the corners, so I can go 25 dp, for example. Now, so I built my card, so you can put any widget on it, and when you finally have your card made, you need to give it an ID. So for example, I could give that card 2 as the ID. Now, I'm now just going to show you what I did with the Java for card 1, now that you know how to build a card view. So if I go back to the project, or actually just go into the main activity, because there's only one screen. Look at the project here, the main activity and activity main. So basically, in the main activity, okay, where the card is, I declare my card view card 1, and I find my view by ID. So basically this line here has found this in particular, and then you can just set a listener on it. So card 1 is set on click listener, which you know how to do, and in my case I just put a toast, but you could do something different. So that's it basically in a nutshell. And you can see I didn't constrain my second card, so I'm going to do that. So now I've constrained it, should say it like that, and you can see it looks like that. And then I put an on click on that and do whatever I like. All right, that's it. Thanks.